Spoiled ice cream? House suddenly on fire? Lame pool party? Well, don't you worry because we got you covered with our latest invention, the FREEZEN2GUN.
Hello there! Today, we'd like to introduce our latest invention, which will surely freeze you in amazement. The FREEZEN2GUN, the dream superhero gun of every child, is right here!
That's right, but this is no toy to play with. FREEZEN2GUN utilizes liquid nitrogen to bring the temperature of its target object and its new surroundings to... You thought I was gonna say less than zero? No. Just some -5 degrees freezer belongs to the past. We are talking for a number of -160 degrees. You heard me, -160. It looks like that lava got some competition.
And with nitrogen composing 78% of Earth's atmosphere, we can give a renewal to the fuel anytime.
But of course you may say, and? We already know that liquid nitrogen is super cold. We know that the majority of Earth's atmosphere is made of nitrogen. What's new in that?
Well, what makes a change is the fact that we know so much about it, but we never use it. Nitrogen, and liquid nitrogen specifically, has been considered to be as one of the most renewable resources our planet offers, with the greatest potential to find application in our everyday life. So, why not try to seize the opportunity when we can in order to avoid many global crises, such as the constant usage of our resources that are absolutely harmful to our environment.
And not to mention that it's both economical and environment friendly. For what more could you ask?
Exactly, what more could you ask for? Luckily for you, nitrogen and liquid nitrogen has a ton of other uses in our everyday life. But we are narrowing down as to what we consider to be the most pro-efficient applications in our everyday life.
Numero uno, cooking. There's nothing better than a cold and refreshing dish in a hot summer day. So why don't you give it a try? With our FREEZEN2GUN and your potentially excellent cooking skills, you can make the best dishes to chill you out.
Number 2. A fire extinguisher. Leaving home and when you return you find your entire place on fire? Well, don't you worry. Until the firefighters arrive, our FREEZEN2GUN will do the work for you, taking care of any unwanted oxygen reaction. Maybe you can show those firefighters how to really put out the fire.
Number 3. Cancer. That's right, liquid nitrogen is also a cure for cancer. Using cryotherapy, nitrogen freezes the tumoral masses, making them frozen enough to totally kill them. And it also helps in mood disorders. So don't you worry. With some effort, a medical degree, and some nice juicy nitrogen, the doctor will be able to chill those tumors to the bone. Not that they actually have one, but you get the idea.
So, what more could you ask for? Join us in the coolest future you can possibly imagine.
FREEZEN2GUN. You want it, we got it.